Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to reach level 10 on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Steam browser or your Steam app, it doesn't really matter. Once it open up, go ahead and hover up to the upper right corner, click on your profile right over here, and click View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can track all your achievements and progress. Once you're on the profile page, look over the right panel right over here and you'll see several options listed here. Go ahead and click on the badges right over here. This section is crucial because it shows all your current badges and tracking your progress toward the next Steam level. Your badges are directly tied to your Steam level, so this is where you'll be spending most of your time. Now, here's something important to understand though about how Steam leveling actually works. Your Steam level increases through XP, which stands for experience points. Every level you want to reach requires a certain amount of XP to unlock, especially level 10 requires about 1000 XP total accumulated across all your activities on the platform. So you'll need to focus on activities that generate the most XP efficiently. The main and most effective way to earn XP is by crafting badges. Now, this is done by completing full set of cards for games in your library. Here's how it works. Some games in your Steam library automatically gives you a trading cards while you're playing them. As you collect these cards, you can combine a complete set to craft a badge, which then rewards you with XP that counts toward your overall Steam level. Basically, additionally, that there are other smaller ways to earn XP that you can help reach level 10 faster. But basically, this is the one that I'd recommend. Basically, that's it, guys. You know exactly how it works from level 10. Basically, this is where you should focus on. Basically, if this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.